Hey everybody, Ronnie George here outside of my listing in Prairieville, Louisiana. This house is located on Cherry Creek Drive and we're asking $308,000. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick property tour. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, walk you through it, and try and point out as many details and features about it that I think might be valuable. So let's get started. All right, so starting off, this house really has some nice curb appeal and it's sitting on a big corner lot that extends the front yard, and it makes an even larger backyard, especially for the other houses in comparison for the subdivision. You do have a stucco front over here with a 2-car garage. And then as we enter, we're going to go right into the foyer. So first thing you're going to kind of notice here, you do have a really good sized foyer, huge living room, really good sized dining room over here to your right. It's nice and open. You do have engineered hardwood floors. These are not laminate, these are actually glue down. And then you have the window that overlooks the front. Now, I'm sure you might notice this window is a little hazy. The seller is willing to negotiate new windows and a new roof. Again, all you have to do is ask. So let's go ahead and check out the main features first. So as we're standing right here in the living room, you have a hallway here to the left, you have a bathroom and 2 bedrooms, and then another bedroom here, and then turning over here, this hallway goes to your master bedroom. So this is what's considered a triple split floor plan because your bedrooms are separated by common areas, so they're not right on top of each other. So let's go right into the keeping room. Huge keeping room, by far one of the biggest areas that I've seen, because you do have this dual-sided fireplace, wraps right into the kitchen. This thing is massive. I haven't actually measured it yet, but I'd probably say this is about a 20 by 20 right here, and then it does cut off a little bit. But you could fit a lot of different things in here, and as they say, it is perfect for entertaining. This house actually is. So going into the kitchen, you do have granite countertops, some stainless steel portable microwave over here, but you do have black appliances. Over there is the dishwasher, and you have maple cabinetry. It's a little lighter color. So this goes ahead and wraps around. You do have a half bathroom here, and this goes into the laundry room and then your garage. Your garage does have additional storage because you have your first attic access, and then you have your second attic access, which is actually in the garage. Storage here, and then your master bedroom. So I don't think I've gotten the lights on over here, so let me go ahead and flip these on. So this is your master ensuite, your walk-in. The one thing that you're going to notice about this house, it is big, but it is dated because a lot of the things in here are original. So that's something that we've kind of factored in when it comes to the pricing. So again, they are asking $308,000 for this one. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with over 2,500 heated square feet. So you do have a garden tub over here to the left, dual vanities, stand-up stall shower, and then a big walk-in closet. Now this thing, you could really do a lot with this because the spacing here is probably about a 6 by 5. Then you have another big section over here. You could do a lot of renovation to it, but the homeowners just never really did anything with it, as you can see. So now let's go check out the rest of the house. We're gonna wrap around here. And then we're gonna go check out the other 2 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are really, really good size. This front bedroom is the standard size of these, kind of more of an office setup. And they all have walk-in closets, as you can kind of see here. So really good spacing in your closets. And then short little hallway, so there's not wasted space. And then your other bathroom, you do have a single vanity here, storage, tub shower combo, and then you have the toilet over in the back and ceramic tile on the floors. All the carpet is in really good shape in the bedroom, so you don't have to do any modifications on that. In my opinion, I think the main things that you would need to do is really just come in, you repaint, and then you can just slowly do some updates over time just to really modernize it. But nothing that's like an absolute must-have that you have to do right away. Now this fireplace is a wood burning fireplace. Just wanted to kind of point that out. And now I'm gonna go check out the outside. Okay, So you do have an overhang, nice covered patio area. This was added. And then you have the decking over here, which steps up a little bit. And then you do have like a little pergola area. Really good size, probably about a 20 by 35 to 40 as far as length goes. And then you have the brick exterior with the siding on the back, really easy to clean, just nice pressure wash. And then at least you do have the gutter, which overhangs here, so you won't have a lot of water just coming down on you. Privacy fence wise, this thing is huge. It's about 8 feet. And then as you see, it just drops down over here to your standard height, which is a 6 foot. All of the privacy fence is in really good shape. You have a nice mature oak tree over here in the back, far away from the house, so you don't have to worry about any settlement issues. Oak trees are very, very, I guess prevalent would be the right word. Probably not though, as far as causing foundation issues, because if you get too close, the roots can kind of go up and start causing some issues because they pull out a lot of the moisture. So you don't have to worry about that here because it is an established tree and it is far enough away to where it's not going to affect the slab. So really good sized backyard. They did have a play set here. That's kind of why you're seeing the dead area, but that's already growing in. So you do have plenty of space over here on the side yard that does wrap around. Let me show you here. Now the side yard does have a fence. The fencing, so you have plenty of room if you want to pull a boat, RV, do additional things over here. You have that space. And yeah, that's really about it. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and wrap this bad boy up. So that concludes the tour. If you or someone you know is looking for a home like this, or if you have additional questions about it, want to learn more about it, whatever it may be, you can click the link above or below to either send me a message to set up a private in-person showing, or you can just request more information, whether that's disclosures, see additional photos, share with a friend, whatever it may be. Either way, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Have a good day.